What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I want to show you guys some stuff real quick that I just got yesterday that I was waiting for about almost 3 months. Today's Tuesday, and then on Saturday the new car is supposed to show up. So hopefully it shows up Saturday or Friday, but for today I'm just going to show you guys what I got for the 2JZ build. I got some stuff from Powerhouse Racing. Shout out to my homie Parts by Mo Supra for always getting me all of my parts. Look at this. These beautiful valve covers. So these are from PHR, Powerhouse Racing. I got these in full polish. These are all billet, and you can either get them like machined, leave them like that. You can get them in black, or you can get them fully polished. Now you guys know what setup I'm gonna go with on the 2JZ. I'm going full polish, not full polish. Some things are gonna be black. I don't want it to be too crazy of a polished engine bay to where like everything is just so reflective. I really hope it's not like that, but this stuff came out super shiny. So let me show you guys this piece first. Right here you have the option if you want to just leave it with what they have, which is like 2JZ GTE turbo, or they have one that says like 2JZ no shit, and then you can get like your custom engraving or whatever you want on there. And of course I put 2JZ 33 turbo. 2JZ 33, of course you guys know it's 2JZ33 is a 350Z, that's what it stands for. Turbo, well, because it's a 2JZ GT turbo engine, so that's why they make a 2JZ GE, which is NA, and then they make the 2JZ GTE, which is the turbo version, which comes with a turbo for the 2Js. There's a quick explanation on that. Came out so sick. My own little touch that I wanted to add to the engine bay. But look at that polish work. Dude, it looks insane. They killed it. Did a really good job. It looks so clean. So this one is the coil pack cover. This goes on top right here. I'll show you guys right now. And then this one goes over the cams. This one looks super sick too. Normally, this cover right here, the coil pack cover, comes with like all the machine lines that you guys can see right here, which I honestly love. And this one usually comes with it. I thought they were gonna leave that on there, but they polished the shit out of it, so it just came out super shiny, which is fine because it looks great. It looks really good. Usually those lines are like right here on the outer side, like right here, right there, right there. But then this piece right here is usually just kind of smooth. But it came out great. I love it. I love how it looks. And then this one has all the machine lines. Looks super sick with the PHR logo right there. Powerhouse Racing on the side. But yeah, look how nice these things came out. Look how shiny it is. I love those lines right there from the machine. Just looks so sick. Makes it look more raw and just makes it look really beefy and nice. I don't even want to touch these things. I don't even want to put these things on my car, to be honest, because as soon as these things get dirty and I have to clean them, and if I get any swirls, the reason why I didn't want to go with the chrome polish whatever engine bay is because of the swirls you get when you start wiping things down when they're dirty. That's gonna drive me nuts. So see how long this lasts, this clean. Don't mind my flipper floppers. I don't got the Gucci flipper floppers like some of you ballers. You guys ready to see how sick this is gonna look? You're basically seeing my 2JZ right now. But this is basically what it's gonna look like. Dude, gotta get them angles. You can get this custom too. You can put whatever you want there, but I left the PHR logo. I think it looks really sick. They make really great parts, so wanna rep their brand. You guys are basically looking at my vision right now and what my 2JZ is gonna look like. Let me show you guys what's in these boxes first, right here real fast. Alright, so right here we have my PHR cam gears. This is basically what I needed, or what I wanted at least, before I put the motor together, was the cam gears. That way he can throw everything together when he's building the motor, because I basically have everything to build the motor. Well, I do, but there's like a few pieces for like the outside of it, you know, like the dressing, like the power steering pump, and things like that I still need to get. But as of right now, I mean, I can put the motor together. I can have the motor put together and everything, head on the block, and we're good to go. But kind of just want to wait till I get everything in and then just throw it on all at once. But we went with black PHR cam gears. I think they look great. They look super sick. Be honest, I think these are one of the best looking cam gears on the market for the 2JZ. You can get these in different colors too. But like I said, I'm doing a chrome and black setup, so I'm gonna have some black accents, like the cam gears and all the pulleys and everything will be black like this from PHR. So I think it's gonna look sick. These right in front, just spinning, and these are gonna be showing. I'm not gonna put the cover over them, so you're gonna be able to see the cam gears spinning. Can't wait for that. That's gonna look insane. And then in here we just have the same thing. We have the other one because there's two of them. And then in here, let's see what we have. In here we basically have the bolt washer, whatever you want to call it. That's pretty cool. They have their little PHR logo. Got their logo right there too. This thing, it's gonna go right there, right in front. This, we're still trying to figure out, a little weird. So I ordered an oil cap, which is on their website, and it's completely different than this one here. That's the one I ordered. That's supposed to have like the, I guess you would call it laser etched logo on the cap, and they sent me one with a sticker on it, and to be honest, I don't like how it looks, especially on all of this chrome. I got it in chrome, and all of this was supposed to be chrome, and it was not supposed to have a sticker on there. This part was supposed to be flat, and it was supposed to have the PHR logo laser etched on there. No sticker, no black sticker. I could take the sticker off, but then it kind of leaves like a little indentation inside because the sticker's in there, so it has like a little divot in there, if that's what you would call it, I guess. So we told them yesterday, and they said they're not making the other cap anymore. I mean, some people might like it, honestly. If you like it, that's sick, but for my setup, I don't want this. We are gonna send this one back and try to figure out a better oil cap if they can't provide me the other one that I ordered. Basically, you guys are starting to see my vision of the 2JZ. This was one of the hardest things to decide on because I was either gonna do a full polish setup or I was gonna do full black engine bay. Decided to do a full polish. I think it's gonna look great with my paint color, the San Marino blue, which is like a dark midnight blue. I think it's gonna look great in the engine bay. When I pop the hood and I see all this chrome and I see everything just popping out, I think it's gonna look beautiful. Having all this billet all over the engine bay, it's gonna look so sick. Just looks so cool how it just goes up, slanted. I just think it looks so good. Now imagine what this is gonna look like in the sun. Here, let's take just the top cover and put it in the sun right here. Let's put this thing in the sun. Oh my god, this thing is gonna look insane. It's so shiny when it hits the sun. Oh my god. That is crazy. I also thought, like, if I don't run this, like if for some reason I just don't want to run this, I don't have to. A lot of people don't run coil pack covers. They just run these or over the cams. And not gonna lie, this would be a nice piece to put up on the wall or something somewhere. As like art, you know? Big shout out to my homie Mo, Parts by Mo Supra. If you guys need any parts for your cars, I love giving this dude a shout out because he will literally give you the best customer service. He's always on top of every order. Super nice guy. Mo's the best, dude. Like, I've been getting all of my parts through him for the past 5 or 6 years for my Z, and I won't go to anyone else. Like, he's just like the best person to deal with when it comes to getting parts. If you guys need any parts, he can get you anything for any make and model. I'll leave his tag right here so you guys can see on the screen. Make sure to hit him up, let him know Little David sent you, and I'm sure he will take care of you guys as well. That way you guys can get some sick ass covers like this too for a better price. Don't go on the website and pay full price, like when you can just hit someone up and get a little discount or save you some money. Any money being saved, $1, $2, $10, hey, it's better than nothing. So I know this isn't a sponsor for Mo either. I don't get parts for free, so I don't want you guys to think that I'm getting all these parts for free. I can't think of one part on my Z that I have gotten for free. Like, I get discounts on things, you know, but there's not a single thing, I think, on my Z that I have gotten for free. Yeah, I'm not like every other YouTuber out there, you know, that's big and gets things for free. That would be nice, honestly, but even then I would want it to be from like the legit companies that I want to work with, and not just companies that are just going to give me free stuff to throw on my car and I'm like, oh, free stuff, I'm going to throw it on my car. No, I would still want it to be things that I want on my car and not just things that are being given to me for free. But would be sick. I don't have any sponsors right now for my car at all. I've never had a sponsor for my car. I've been sponsored in skateboarding, but for the car world, it's a little bit different. I haven't gone out there and like asked companies for a sponsorship or anything like that. I mean, right now would be a great time, you know, because I'm building my car. So right now would be a good time to hit up companies and be like, hey, like I want to put this on my car and I'm building this. This is what I'm doing. If I could work with like big companies like Ray's or like any big company like that, I don't know, I'd be down. That'd be sick. Some Toyo tires or Mickey Thompson, that would be cool. Just stuff that I like to run on my car, you know. Stick around, wait for the build. The motor's pretty much ready to be built and put together with the valve cover, so you guys can kind of get a vision of what it's gonna look like. So I'm stoked for that. So stay tuned for like the next, 4 days, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. 3 to 4 days till I get the new car. Yeah, I can't wait to show you guys. I know a lot of you guys are gonna be stoked. We went and checked out that Nismo in the last video, and I read every single person's comment. But stay tuned and see which car I ended up going with. And I'll see you guys when I get the car in a few days.